Hello. Today we will see the figures of speech of the first poem of 11th standard, Cherry Tree. See the first line. 8 years have passed since I placed my cherry seed in the grass. Which figure of speech is there? Alliteration. Because the sound of the letter S is repeated for poetic effect. S in since, S in seed. So that's why it is alliteration. Must have a tree of my own, I said, and watered it once and went to bed. The figure of speech of this line is repetition, because the word and is repeated 2 times in the line. See, and is here and again and. Second figure of speech is there in this line. Alliteration is also there, because the sound of the letter W is repeated for poetic effect. W in water, W in went. Next line. And forgot, but cherries have a way of growing, though no one's caring very much of knowing. Anticlimax figure of speech is there, because the words in the sentence caring, knowing, these words arranged in decreasing order. So that's why it is anticlimax. When such words arranged in decreasing order, then anticlimax. And when such sentences, such words are in increasing order, then anticlimax. So this is anticlimax. Next one is personification. Cherries have been given an animate quality of growing. In this line, cherries have given animate quality. सजीवांचे गुण जेव्हा निर्जीवांना प्रदान केले जातात, ग्रोविंग, वाढणं, बाळ वाढतं, मोठं होतं, इट्स हॅपन विथ animate qualities, human beings. So growing, this quality is given to the non-living thing. Next is, and suddenly that summer near the end of May, I found a tree had come to stay. Alliteration is there, because the sound of the letter S and T, we can say in Marathi, has been repeated for poetic effect. Yes in summer and also in suddenly, T in tree and in that also. So it is alliteration. See the next line. It was very small, 5-month child lost in the tall grass running wild. Antithesis is there, because small and tall, these two opposites words are in the line. When two opposite words are placed side by side in the line, then that time it is antithesis. Metaphor is also there, because cherry plant has been compared to a child that is 5 months old. Comparison between two objects, we can child of 5 months and the cherry tree. So here is a comparison without like or as. So it is metaphor. Personification is also there, because the tall grass has been given the animate quality of running wild. Running, human being can do this, but tall grass, how it is possible to run them? So that's why when animate quality is given to non-living things, then it is personification. Next line. Goats ate the leaves, the grass cutters kite thee, split it apart and the monsoon blight shriveled the slender stem even so. Alliteration is there, because the sound of the letter G and S is repeated. Goats, grass, G is there, split, shriveled, slender, S is there. Skythy also, The young tree struggled upward, thrust its arms in a fresh fierce lust for light and air and sun. Climax is there because light, air and sun, these words are arranged in the increasing order, and when such kind of words are arranged in increasing order, then it is climax, opposite of anticlimax. Personification is also there because the tree has been given the animate quality of struggling. Who struggles in life? Human being. So struggling, this quality of human being is given to non-living thing. So that's why it is personification. Next line. Who watched, wondered, while time and the rain made a miracle from green growing pain. Alliteration is there because the sound of the letter M and G has been repeated. M in miracle, M in made. So that's why it is alliteration. Again G sound is also there, W sound is also there. So such sounds, when sound repeats, then it is alliteration. Personification is also there because time and rain have been given animate quality. Time and rain, see the line, watched, wandering, while time and rain made a miracle. How it is possible? Time and rain made a miracle. Okay, they can do. When rain is heavy, then that time so many situation happen. A very chaotic situation happens. But in actual life, miracle is done by human being. So in that sense, personification is there because these are the qualities of human being and these qualities are given to the non-living thing. Spent a season in Kashmir, alliteration is there because S sound repeats. Spent, S in spent, S in season. Next, came back thinner, rather poor, but richer by a cherry tree at my door. Alliteration is there because sound of the letter B is repeated. B in but, again by, B is there, back, B is there. So B sound repeats. Antithesis is there because two opposite ideas or words placed side by side, poor and rich. So that's why it is antithesis. And I could scarcely believe it a berry. Alliteration is there because the sound of the letter B is repeated. B in believe, B in berry. So it is alliteration. Next line, pink, fragile, quick to fall. Alliteration is there because the sound of the letters F is repeated. F in fragile, F we can say in Marathi F, but in English F. Fall, F. So that's why alliteration. Climax is also there because the word pink, fragile, these words arranged in increasing order. So here one mistake is there, it is not increased, increasing order. So that's why it is climax. Next figure of speech, and it is next line. Looking up through leaves at the blue, blind sky at the finches as they flew. Alliteration is there because L in we can say L, B and F. These sounds repeats. L in looking, L in leaves, B in blue, B in blind, F in finches and flew. So that's why alliteration. Next line of nectar from each bloom and the sun sang swiftly and the stars turned in the sky. Alliteration is there because S sound repeats. S in swiftly, S in stars, S in sang, S in sky, S in sun, S in stars. Next line, and moon moths and singing crickets and I, yes I praised night and stars and blue. Entry. Climax is there because night, stars, tree, these words are arranged in increasing order. So that's why it is climax. Personification is there because the crickets have been given an animate quality of being to sing. Crickets, they can't see, they only create sound. Human being, he can sing. So singing, this human quality is given to cricket, and that's why it is personification. Repetition is also there because and has been repeated 2 times, so that's why it is repetition. Next, so here we have completed all the figures of speech of poem number 1st. Now if you like it, please subscribe my channel Learn with Joy, share to others and like it. So once again I am thank you to you all for watching my video. Thank you.